Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and as expected, there was good amount of selling pressure. Many of you made a good profit also by being on the sell position. As we discussed yesterday, that if a good amount of selling pressure comes, we don't need to go with the buys around the support. We need to hold our sell. Hope you made good profit, many of you, because I received few messages also that it was a very good day. Anyways, today is an important day because of CPI, and as we all know, CPI is a big event, major event that can change the direction of the market. So if you're a beginner, new trader, please do not gamble with your hard-earned money, because it's a bitter reality that highest market manipulation takes place at the time of news. And when news fundamentals dominate the market, technicals do not work. Forget about levels. If you really want to make money at a time of news, go with the flow. That is the only medicine. And before a major event like FOMC, CPI, NFP, we usually see the market do not show some crazy moves. Market usually stays sideways or choppy. So before CPI, we can expect the same from gold. So after making a low of 3341, we can see that gold is sideways right now. Undoubtedly, the market structure was bearish till yesterday. But if we just observe the market structure, do we see a bearish structure here? No, we don't see a bearish structure because the market is sideways as of now, and we can expect the same till CPI. After CPI, obviously, things will be different. The picture will be different, and obviously nobody can predict. No, it doesn't matter. How good a person or analyst is, but nobody knows what will happen after the news. So before news, obviously we can expect the market to remain sideways. After news, follow the trend. So before CPI, we can see that right now the previous support of 336055, remember the blue box from yesterday and from Saturday also, this is working as the resistance. But we can see right now that already market has tested the resistance 4 to 5 times already. So there's a big chance that during the day market may go up. If market goes up, that doesn't mean that we have a trend reversal. Trend reversal may only come after CPI, not before CPI. So before CPI, if market goes up, we can look for a selling opportunity around the next resistance, which is 336567. Remember from yesterday? Yes. Then we have another selling opportunity around 3380. If we compare, then 3380 is a better level for a selling opportunity. So day traders, only go for day trades. Do not hold your positions till CPI, because if market move in opposite direction, you may not get time to exit also. Exit your positions before CPI. So during the day, right now market is facing resistance around this area, but already market has tested it many times. So next time if market goes up, we can look for sell opportunities around these two levels. That's it, 3380, 336568. Why are we considering these two levels? Same logic, means the previous support will be working as the new resistance. Yesterday it was a support, remember? The same support will be working as a new resistance, and 3380, same logic. The previous support will be working as a new resistance. You can see 3380 was a stronger support, so it will be a stronger resistance. And if market goes down from here, then 3340 is the level, that we need to keep our eyes on. If market breaks, 3340 before CPI, then be very careful, because before news, if any breakout or breakdown comes, that is temporary. So if you see that there is a heavy selling pressure during the European session, then you can look for 40 to 60 pips only. Do not expect much. If you can score 40 to 56 60 pips before a news, it is good enough. If you see high selling pressure, below 3340, then only go for a sell opportunity. Otherwise, you can avoid. Personally, I avoid breakout and breakdowns before any major event. After CPI, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure, heavy selling pressure, then you can go on sell position. But before CPI, do not expect much. 40 to 60 pips for a sell position below 3340 is good enough. Market may take support also. Okay, market may take support also around 3343, 3341. This one. Market may take support also during the day. In simple words, as of now, okay, do not expect that there will be some big moves. Okay, usually we see a sideways market or choppy market. So trading opportunities are also limited right now. Okay, be careful, use stop loss and do not gamble. Okay, that's all from my side, because okay, we have limited opportunities because of CPI. Good luck and take care.